If two NX15 devices are directly connected and require mesh networking, then NX15 can be configured for both wired mesh networking and wireless mesh networking. Wired mesh networking is recommended as the priority. First, configure the NX15 with wired mesh. 1. Select one as the main route. 2. After selecting the main router, power on the main route. When the light on the back turns orange and blinks, the startup is complete. Insert the broadband cable or optical cable into the WAN port, and the router will turn green when it obtains the address. The following uses DHCP dynamic IP addresses as an example. At this point, we turn on the wireless connection of the mobile phone to the router. Open the browser to go to the router management page, default IP address 192.168.124.1. The configuration wizard and initial router configuration are complete. Ensure that the main route can access the internet properly. The main router is steady green and can be normal internet access. Keep the secondary router in factory condition and start until the orange light flashes. Connect one end of the network cable to the WAN port on the secondary router. Connect the other end of the network cable to any LAN port on the main router. If the indicator blinks at short intervals, the mesh networking is in state. Please wait patiently. When the secondary router also turns green, the wired mesh configuration is complete. After the wired mesh networking is successful, you can use your mobile phone to connect to the router. After logging in successfully, you can view the mesh networking topology. The topology shows that the mesh is successful and the network port identifier is wired mesh networking. On the basis of wired mesh networking, how to configure wireless mesh networking. As long as you unplug the network cable connecting the two devices that are successfully wired, the secondary route will enter the wireless mesh networking state. Wait for the indicator of the secondary router to blink green to steady green, and the wireless mesh networking is successful.